Okay, hold up. So I just got sent on my email, some wrestling fan, he just called himself a wrestling fan, contacted me through email, and he said he found the most disturbing video in the world. And he said it was a crime that some YWC members committed. The video, I have it downloaded, I'm not going to show it, but it's called 2 Marks, 1 Mark, 1 Chainsaw. Gonna go ahead and view it. I don't know what this is about, so 3, 2, 1. Okay. What the? Oh! What the hell? What the? What the hell are they doing? What? Hold on, what the fuck are they doing? The fucking chainsaw and the... What are they doing to that man? What are... That's wrong. That is... Oh my god, that is so wrong. What even is this? What are they doing to that poor man? Now they're shit. They're shit. They're shitting. No, they're not. They're not doing... Wait. What even... I can't... No. I just can't no more. What it... They're torturing that shit. They changed another leg. What are they doing? What is that? His head's gone now. No. They're eating. They're eating. They're eating them now. Oh my god. No. I just can't. No. No. Oh, no.